Trying to choose between those cheap honey packs and a real solution like Rugiet? I've actually tested both before, and in this video I'll share everything that you should know before getting your own ED med. Now, I want it to be clear from the get-go. I do not recommend anything that is not regulated by the FDA, but I also understand that good marketing can really make a ton of people curious. I've personally gone down that rabbit hole before because I too needed a simple, no-fuss answer to improve my performance. So I did actually try the honey packs myself before. And let me tell you, while the claims are enticing, the reality just doesn't measure up to the real results that science-backed products like Rugiet offer. So if at any point you want to check out Rugiet for yourself, check out the link in the description to get your own ED meds at the best price available. So why do these honey packs go viral? Personally, I think it's pure psychology. They bypass the shame and awkwardness of talking to a doctor, they promise discreet, just grab and go, and most importantly, they tap into that desire for instant gratification. I remember thinking, it's just honey and herbs, what's the harm? But after trying a couple, my experience was a bit of a mixed bag. One time I felt something, but it was incredibly unpredictable. A weird headache, a flush, but no real control. Another time, nothing. And that's the main issue. These products are completely unregulated. The reason they sometimes work is that they might be secretly loaded with undisclosed prescription medications, like the actual ingredient in Viagra or Cialis, but in unknown, unsafe doses. You have no idea what you're actually putting into your body. Now, if you have an underlying condition or are on other medications, it's a dangerous gamble. With products like Rugiet, however, they just don't play games with your health. It's a real doctor-prescribed medication, but delivered in a way that truly understands your need for privacy and convenience. Instead of swallowing a pill, it's a tiny custom-made dissolvable mint you simply let melt under your tongue that allows the ingredients to get absorbed into your system much faster. Personally, I felt the effects typically within 15 to 20 minutes, which really helped me become more spontaneous and less anxious in bed. What also sets Rugiet apart for me is that you have a private online chat with a real medical professional who understands your needs. They then work with a specialized pharmacy to create a precise combo of proven ingredients like sildenafil and tadalafil, sometimes even adding apomorphine specifically for your body. This means you get exactly what you need and at the right strength, which greatly minimizes unwanted side effects. For me, this meant great, consistent, reliable results without the jitters I experienced with the unregulated stuff. Sure, I did notice a mild headache with my first couple doses of Rugiet, but nothing serious. In terms of price, the honey packs are so cheap at around $3 a pop. They're cheap, that's the hook. Rugiet, a higher initial cost, but you're paying for medical guidance, personalized care, and consistent results. Another reason people grab honey packs is that they don't want to be fully honest about their health. Rugiet's online process is very private, but you do need to be upfront to get the best, safest outcome. For me, the peace of mind, the consistency, and the discretion Rugiet offers has been 100% worth it. Now, if you're just looking for a quick, cheap fix and are willing to roll the dice, those honey packs might appeal. But if you want something safe, effective, and doctor-backed, Rugiet is absolutely the smarter choice. So if you're interested, click that link below to get your own ED meds from Rugiet at the best price available anywhere.